Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Samira. How are you guys? So today I'll be reviewing my new mini Capucines handbag. I've been wanting a mini Capucines for the longest time because they are the most perfect going out bag and they are great to wear crossbody. I'll show you later in this video. This is actually my secret Santa gift from my brother Sam, so if you're watching, thanks. And before I get to the review, if you are new to my channel, my name is Samira and I love to eat and wear nice stuff, so please subscribe and like this video at the end if you enjoy it. So let's get to the review. So this is the Louis Vuitton mini Capucines handbag. The Capucines is what I call effortless elegance, and it's a very modern yet classic piece. This bag is in the cerulean leather in the color Snow White and features a top handle that's actually wrapped in Ayers leather, which is like a type of snakeskin, and it also has gold colored hardware. The bottom of the bag has 4 protective metal studs to keep it from scratching, which is great because a lot of times when you're putting your bag on the floor or on the table or wherever, you don't want it to scuff or scratch. So protective feet are always a plus. It comes with a wide removable strap which offers comfort when you carry it over the shoulder or crossbody. It is not adjustable though. So the bag is 8.3 inches in length, 5 inches in height, and 3.1 inches in width. There are 2 compartments inside this bag, which is separated by this divider in the middle, and it also has a flat pocket in the back, which is completely useless in my opinion, but I guess it's nice to look at. I don't know. The more leather, the better, right? And like I mentioned earlier, this is the perfect going out bag because it's small and it won't get in the way. It's so cute and beautiful. I will say I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it's a little hard to fit inside my bag. It does fit, but it does take a little wiggling to do so. I also use an OtterBox, so I think that's also the reason why it doesn't fit in so easily. But if I remove my OtterBox, it totally would go in. And honestly, the only thing you could fit in here is just like a really small wallet or card holder, your keys, your phone, and like 1 lipstick, maybe 2 lipsticks. But with a small bag like this, those are really the only things you can fit. This bag is very tiny and honestly, I don't think it was intended to fit a bunch of stuff inside, so let's respect her. I'm going to show you guys what this bag looks like on crossbody and over the shoulder, and for reference, I am 5'4". So this is what the bag would look like if you're wearing it over the shoulder. And this is how it would look like if you're wearing it crossbody. That's all for my review. If you guys have any questions on the Capucines, please leave a comment down below. I will try my absolute best to get back to you guys as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you all, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!